Finally, the price and the rumors regarding the new notch display is confirmed. And you guys might be surprised to see that the notch is coming but not having an added option. If you're the one who are looking to get an iPhone 14 Pro Max, then official pricing in the US will be $1,149. An iPhone 14 Pro will cost you $1,049, but considering this, the iPhone 14 will cost you around $749 and the iPhone 14 Plus will cost you $849. But in China, the pricing is way over what US offers, where the base model iPhone 14 is hitting a $1,000 mark, and iPhone 14 Pro Max can go up to $1,500, which is insane. Last few days, there's a video regarding a new punch hole display were out where you can use either a single pill hole display or pill plus hole individual, but it seems like it is not going to happen this time. This would possibly be a Chinese copy of iPhone 14 Pro Max where it has this option. And according to the sources, Apple is going with the single pill design and will be consistent with the design. So this is sad to hear, but you guys will not get an option to turn this on or off. If you're wondering how big is your iPhone 14 Pro Max cameras, then somebody on internet tried the iPhone 14 Pro Max case on the iPhone 13 Pro Max and you can see the difference. These are big and you cannot use the iPhone 14 Pro Max case on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The side area is also slightly different. The back lenses are bigger because of the new lens, both ultra wide and main lens, which is 48 megapixel. And Apple is trying to improve the low light imaging of ultra wide lens, and if you are taking shots at night, then your 48 megapixel will get down to 12 megapixel because earlier testing the 48 megapixel camera was adding noise. And Apple is also adding an 8K video recording option in the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you're the one who like always on display, then iPhone 14 models will be the best option for you, and Apple will give you this feature only on the iPhone 14 Pro models. You cannot get this feature on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Having this enabled, this is not like the Android always on display, but this will show the notifications and dim down the wallpaper, which will consume more battery than the normal always on display. To tackle this, Apple is going to give a bigger battery on the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max with a faster charger at 30 watt. If you want to get iPhone 14, then I would suggest go with the Pro versions. Because of one big reason. Apple is going with the same A15 Bionic chipset on iPhone 14 base model, and if you look at the other features like display and cameras, they are also the same as iPhone 13. Apple just called this A15 Bionic chip an enhanced version, but it'll likely be the same, so I would suggest go with the Pro version if you really want to feel a big difference. You guys should be excited about the new iPhone 14 Pro Max features. Some of them we haven't seen on any other smartphone, and top of the list is satellite feature. Apple tested this feature on iPhone 14 Pro Max and we may see this on Apple event. And second, we might see a space zoom with the new 48 megapixel camera. If you're thinking about the experience of iPhone 14 Pro Max, then I would say it is heavy. Considering with the bigger battery, it will be heavy than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There are also some unexpected features we might see on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which you can see in this video, and I'm pretty sure you guys will be surprised to see this coming to iPhone 14 Pro Max. Peace out!